Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing absolutely fine. And I received two packages from Flipkart. এটা আমি পরের ব্লগের জন্য রেখে দেবো কারণ যে পরের ব্লগেও কন্টেন্ট দরকার, বাট আই উইল আনবক্সিং দিস gigantic package and it's of happiness. So this package is delivered 2 hours back and দুদিন আগে আমি অর্ডার দিয়েছিলাম and Flipkart is doing a great job in delivering product in this billion day offers. So here comes the package, and this is the SJ6 Legend action camera. It's full sealed and it is the happiness, man. It is the happiness. So this one is the package and it's written SJ6 Legend. I know it is a bit old version, but it fits into my budget and does the work very good. So it is having gyro stabilization, 4K recording, but at 24 fps. I will be recording my videos at 180 60 fps and two screen. You can see here is the secondary screen and at the back is the primary screen. So let's see the specification first. And image sensor is 16 megapixel Panasonic MN34120 sensor with lens 166 degree and all. So technology, and it is written imported by Big Trends. And let's get into the package first. And always do, I recommend you guys always check this seal, I mean this plastic seal. If it is not there, please return the item. And here is given 2 QR codes for getting this app. So let's open it up. And yes, so keeping it aside, here is the main box. It is opening like this. Okay. And so this is the small bomb. So this is the main camera, and this one is the waterproof casing as per my knowledge. And let's check inside what we have got more. So we do have got some mounts with 3M tape. Let's see, this is the charging cable and few more mounts. So this one is not the waterproof case, just the mount. And this one is the lens cap and a few more mounts. And it is the cycle mount, I guess, as per my knowledge. And few more 3M tapes. And this is the screen. It is waterproof casing and this is the touch one. So in this casing you won't be able to use the touch, but when you will be applying this using this casing, you can use the touch also. So keeping it aside, and yeah, a few more mounts and a microfiber cloth. So and some, oh, this is the Gyan Ki Baate. It is written in, it is having various languages, user manual and some stickers, SJ Cam. So what do we get? This one is the main action camera. These are the housings, microfiber cloth and charging cable, few mounts, this one and few more mounts. So and 3M tape. So this one is the main camera. So let's open it up and I am pretty much happy. Here is written SJ Cam and here is the model number SJ6 Legend. So here is the indicators, LED indicators. This is the secondary screen. This one is the primary screen. And what we get, this one is the USB connector and thick, and at the bottom we get the SD card slot. Here is the speaker, see, and here we get the mount for tripod and all. Here is the battery cabinet. Let's open it up. So here we get a battery, and let me check. This is 1000 milliampere battery, as you can see. So yeah, and it is the settings button. Here is the power button, and this one is the main capture button. And here we get some protectors on the screen as well. Here you can see the protectors are given as well, and on the lens also there is protectors given, as you can see. And let's power it on for the first time. So yeah, this one is the camera. So it is indicating, I guess it is the battery indicator. Here is also an indicator. I need to figure it out what for these indicators are actually. And the touch is okay, I will say. Yes, it is good resolution. Let's check it out. I'll be shooting at let's show you 1080p at 60 fps. I will be recording my videos at this. Then language is date and time format, gimbal control on, it's on. Front display, you can toggle the front display, it is on. Here you can see the front display, you can switch it off also, like I've selected. See, if I select the off, see it is off, and you can again switch it on, like see. So I will be showing the footage of this camera once the memory card arrives.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change.